How to download and install Zoho Writer, Zoho Show and Zoho Sheet offline on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Play Store application on your device and search for Zoho Writer. So you can see the application over here. So here I've already installed the application. You can simply tap on open and you'll be able to land into the main page of Zoho Writer. So here you just have to swipe over here and then tap on sign in. So if you already have an account, you can simply sign in with your account. If you do not have, you can create an account over here on Zoho Writer as well. So that's how you'll be able to log into your account and install it. Next, if you want to launch Zoho Show over here, you can simply search for Zoho Show as well over here on the Play Store. So let's search for it. And as we do that, you'll be able to see you can simply tap on install and install this application on your device again. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.